Hey everybody, welcome to MOTORMARVEL. This is Porsche 911 Hybrid GTS, one of the hottest German hybrid sports cars in the world right now. Let's talk about what's new for 2025. The Porsche 911, designed as the 992.2, introduces significant enhancements both under the hood and in its design. The most exciting development: the hybridization of the Carrera GTS. The heart of the 2025 Carrera GTS is a newly developed 3.6-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine. This powerhouse delivers 485 PS and 570 Nm of torque. But with the hybrid system, the total output jumps to a staggering 541 PS and 610 Nm of torque. The Carrera GTS Coupe can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.0 seconds, reaching a top speed of 312 km per hour. That's performance you can feel in every turn. Porsche hasn't focused on performance. The 2025 models also features revamped interiors, better aerodynamics, and expanded connectivity. The Carrera GTS comes with a high-voltage battery, providing up to 1.9 kW of energy and operating at 400 volts. This supports a permanent magnet synchronous motor that adds up to 150 Nm of torque, ensuring an extra boost right when you need it. Exterior-wise, the 911 lineup gets new bumpers, wheels, lights, mirrors, and aero aids. The Carrera GTS features 5 vertical louvers on each side of the front end for optimal cooling and aerodynamics. But let's not forget about the suspension. The Carrera GTS now includes rear axle steering as standard, enhancing stability at high speeds and reducing the turning circle for nimble handling. Inside the 911 models, blending classic design with modern tech, the fully digital instrument cluster features a 12.6-inch curved display, customizable to show up to 7 views, including a classic 5-tooth design inspired by traditional Porsche dials. The Porsche Communication Management System is also upgraded, featuring a 10.9-inch central display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are seamlessly integrated, and new connectivity features like video streaming and native app support for Spotify and Apple Music ensure you're always connected. Now let's talk about the Carrera. It retains the beloved 3.0 twin-turbo boxer engine, which now produces 394 PS and 450 Nm of torque. This model can hit 100 km per hour in 4.1 seconds or 3.9 seconds with the Sport Chrono package with a top speed of 294 km per hour. The Carrera's engine has been upgraded with the intercooler from the turbo models and new turbochargers, reducing emissions and boosting power. The Carrera also features Porsche's dynamic chassis control, enhancing ride comfort and handling. The sport suspension with a variable damper system and a 10mm lowered ride height are standard on the GTS, providing characteristics handling dynamics. Porsche has made targeted updates to improve aerodynamics and performance. The new bumpers and adaptive front diffusers and integrated matrix LED headlights all contribute to a streamlined design. The 911 models offer 7-wheel designs, including exclusive carbon blade wheels that reduce drag and increase efficiency. The Carrera GTS comes standard with 21-inch wheels at the rear end and 20-inch wheels at the front, improving driving dynamics and traction. The redesigned rear of the 911 features an integrated arc and Porsche logo, making the car appear deeper and wider. The new rear grille, spoiler, and bumper design enhance both style and function. Inside, Porsche has prioritized driver comfort and technology. The interior includes a cooled compartment for smartphones with inductive charging, and the two-seater configuration can be upgraded to a 2+2 seat layout at no extra charge. The driver-centric design includes a standard driving mode switch, a revised driver assistant lever, and the start button located to the left of the steering wheel. The 2025 Porsche 911 models are designed to provide a versatile driving experience, seamlessly transitioning between intense performance and relaxed cruising. With its blend of innovative technology, powerful engines, and a luxurious design, the 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera and Carrera GTS continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in a sports car. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising down the highway, these models promise an unforgettable driving experience. Well, thank you for watching this video all the way. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.